Namaste, this is Samta Auntie. Today we are going to review some Hindi adjectives. You already learned what an adjective is in class. In this video, we're focusing on building our Hindi adjective vocabulary. We're going to learn how to say first, second, third, fourth, etc., all the way up to 10th. So for instance, I won first place, or I like the first lehenga on the shelf, okay? So that's the use case for these words. And these are very useful for you to know. You don't really need to know beyond 10, and even 10 is a lot, but we're gonna do first all the way up to 10th, okay? So first, pehela, pehela, and that is a tricky H word. You have to enunciate that H in there, pehela, first. Second, dusra, dusra. Third, tisra, tisra. Fourth, chota, chota. Fifth, panchva, panchva. Sixth, chatta, chatta. Seventh, satva, satva. Eighth, atva, atva. Ninth, nova, nova. And 10th, dasva, dasva. And there you have it. That's how to say first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and 10th in Hindi. So keep practicing these. These are adding to your adjective vocabulary. Dhanyavad for joining me. I'll see you in class.